The situation. Sometimes I want to have more sleeping places available on the trips with my Sprinter. This should be flexible and as easy to handle as possible, and I don't want to have to pull a trailer behind me for it. The solution. A standard roof tent mounted on a custom-made holding device for the trailer hitch and carried upright behind the rear doors of the Sprinter. For this purpose, I made a stainless steel pin for the bayonet mount of my Anhänger clutch. This replaces the trailer hitch. Since it's a tool-free connection, the design does not require individual acceptance by the MOT or inspection in Germany. The support structure is attached via the metal pin. It consists of a frame made out of stainless steel square tube. Two heavy-duty pullouts are attached to it, which can be extended to both sides. The actual base plate is mounted on these pullouts. This will carry the roof tent. Here you can see how you can push out or pull out the whole structure depending on which rear door of the Sprinter you want to open once the tent is attached. This safety bolt ensures that the center position is easily found. The folded roof tent, which has been modified for this purpose, is placed upright on the support plate. Three hinges ensure that the roof tent can be tilted and at the same time is securely connected to the base plate. A locking mechanism acts as the first vertical lock. However, the actual stability of the construction is only achieved by the fact that the central support is firmly screwed together by means of clamping connections. Once fully assembled, the roof tent stands on 5 supports in total. To dismantle the tent, the support elements are first unhooked. Then the tent is folded. And secured with 4 tension straps. The tent is then moved into the upright position and automatically secured by the locking mechanism shown earlier. The clamping connections for the center support are then tightened by hand. Finally, the 4 remaining supports must be retracted. And lastly, the tailor-made tarpaulin is put on. In order to secure the whole thing in place, tension belts are attached to the rear side of the sprinter. If we want to open a rear door, the heavy-duty pullouts come into play. First, raise the safety bolt, then extend the support and push the tent to the side. Now the right door can be opened. This, of course, works for the left door as well, just mirror the steps mentioned earlier. By now I've tested this construction thoroughly over 6 weeks and 7,000 kilometers. Works just as planned.